Hey friends, get ready to dive into some super gross but totally cool facts. We're going on an adventure to explore all those icky, sticky, slimy things our bodies make.
We're talking about snot, slime, burps, and all those you things you love.
So buckle up, get ready to giggle, and let's get started.
Let's talk about snot. You might think it's just a gross, sticky substance that comes out of your nose when you're sick, but there's so much more to it than that. I know, it's gross, right? But did you know that snot actually plays a really important role in keeping you healthy?
But guess what? Snot is like a little guardian that lives in your nose, always ready to protect you from harmful invaders. Snot is actually your friend. It might seem yucky, but it's doing an important job. It's like a sticky superhero that lives in your nose. Imagine having a superhero right inside your body, always on the lookout for bad guys. When you breathe in, all kinds of stuff tries to sneak into your body. Dust, dirt, even tiny little germs. These tiny invaders can make you sick if they get into your lungs. But snot is there to catch them. It's like a sticky net that traps all the bad stuff before it can cause any harm. It's super sticky, so it traps all that yucky stuff before it can get to your lungs. Think of it as your body's first line of defense.
And sometimes, when you're sick, your snot changes colors. This might seem strange, but it's actually a sign that your body is fighting off an infection. It can turn yellow or even green. These colors mean that your immune system is hard at work, sending out special cells to battle the germs. That's because your body is working extra hard to fight off those nasty germs. The color change is a sign that your body is doing its job.
So next time you have a runny nose, just remember it's not just a nuisance. It's your body's way of keeping you safe and healthy. Your snot is there to protect you. So be proud of your snotty nose, because it's doing an amazing job.
Slime! It's gooey, it's slippery, and it's totally awesome!
But did you know that slime isn't just for playing with?
Some animals use slime to survive. Take snails, for example. They leave a trail of slime wherever they go.
This slime helps them move around and stick to surfaces. It's like their own personal sticky highway.
And have you ever seen a hagfish? They're these crazy fish that can shoot slime out of their bodies.
It's super gross, but it helps them escape from predators.
So, yeah, slime might be a little gross, but it's also super cool and important. Everybody burps. It's like this funny sound that comes out of your mouth when you least expect it. But why do we burp?
Well, it all starts with your tummy. When you eat or drink, you don't just swallow food and drinks, you also swallow air.
And sometimes that air gets trapped in your stomach. It's like a little air bubble that wants to escape.
So your body lets it out through a burp. It's like your tummy's way of saying, "Excuse me, I'm a little gassy."
And sometimes burps can be loud, and sometimes they can be quiet.
But no matter what, they're totally normal.
Okay, friends, let's talk about farts.
I know, it's a little embarrassing, but everyone farts. It's just a natural part of life.
Farts are made of gas, and that gas comes from the food you eat.
When you eat, your body breaks down the food in your tummy, and sometimes that process creates gas. And that gas has to go somewhere, right? So it comes out the other end as a fart. Sometimes farts are stinky, and sometimes they're silent but deadly. But no matter what, they're totally normal.
So next time you fart, don't be embarrassed. Just laugh it off.
Earwax. It's that sticky, gooey stuff that you find in your ears. It might seem gross, but it's actually super important.
You see, earwax is like a bodyguard for your ears. It protects them from dirt, dust, and even tiny little bugs that might try to crawl inside. It's like a sticky trap that catches all that yucky stuff before it can cause any trouble. And guess what? Your ears are actually really good at cleaning themselves.
They have these tiny little hairs that slowly move the earwax out of your ear canal. So, most of the time, you don't even need to clean your ears. Your body takes care of it all by itself.
Boogers. We all get them, but nobody likes to talk about them.
But guess what? Boogers are actually pretty cool. They're like tiny little dust bunnies that live in your nose.
Remember how we talked about snot and how it traps all that yucky stuff you breathe in?
Well, boogers are just dried up snot. They're like little clumps of all the dirt, dust, and germs that your snot has caught. And just like snot, boogers help keep your nose clean and healthy.
So next time you see a booger, don't be grossed out. Just think of it as a sign that your nose is doing its job. Next up, the fascinating journey into the world of pus.
Pus. It's something we all find a bit gross, but it's actually quite amazing when you understand what it is. It's gross, it's gooey, and it usually means you have an infection. But there's so much more to it than just that. But did you know that pus is actually a sign that your body is fighting back? Yes, it's a clear indication that your immune system is hard at work. It's like a tiny army of superheroes battling it out inside your body. These white blood cells are your body's defenders. When you get a cut or a scrape, germs can get inside and cause an infection. This is where the battle begins. And that's when your body sends in the white blood cells. These cells rush to the site of the infection to fight off the invading germs. These amazing cells are like tiny warriors that fight off the bad guys. They work tirelessly to keep you healthy.
And sometimes, when they're fighting really hard, they create pus. This is a byproduct of the battle happening inside your body.
Pus is made up of dead white blood cells, bacteria, and other stuff that's left over from the battle. It's a sign that your body is winning the fight. It's kind of like a battlefield inside your body. The white blood cells are the soldiers, and the bacteria are the invaders. The pus is the aftermath of this microscopic war. So next time you see pus, remember, it's not just gross. It's a sign that your body is doing its job. It's a reminder of the incredible work happening inside you to keep you safe and healthy. Celebrate your body's amazing defense system. It's always ready to protect you, even if it means creating something as icky as pus.
Vomit! It's the worst, right? Just the thought of it can make anyone feel queasy. But have you ever wondered why we vomit in the first place? It's not just a random act of grossness.
But as gross as it is, vomit is actually your body's way of protecting you. It's like a safety hatch that gets rid of something bad you ate. Imagine your body as a fortress, and vomit is the emergency exit that helps you escape from harmful invaders. Sometimes, you might eat something that's spoiled or that your tummy just doesn't agree with. Maybe it's food that's been left out too long, or something that has bacteria on it. Your body is super smart and can detect these things even if you can't see or taste them.
And when that happens, your body knows that it needs to get rid of it as quickly as possible. It's like an alarm system that goes off, alerting your body to take immediate action. The food travels down your esophagus, but if it's bad, it makes a quick U-turn and comes right back up.
So it sends signals to your brain, and your brain tells your tummy to throw up. It's a coordinated effort between your brain and stomach, almost like they're having a conversation. Your brain says, "Hey, this isn't good for us." And your stomach responds, "Got it, let's get rid of it." It's like your body's way of hitting the reset button. Once the bad stuff is out, your body can start to feel better almost immediately. It's a fresh start, a way to reset and get back to normal.
So, even though it's super gross, vomit is actually a good thing. It's your body's way of protecting you from something that could make you really sick. Think of it as a necessary evil.
It means your body is working properly and keeping you safe. So next time you feel that queasy sensation, remember that it's just your body's way of looking out for you. And once it's over, you'll be back to feeling great in no time.
Poop! It's stinky! It's brown and it comes out of your butt!
But as gross as it seems, poop is actually super important. It's how your body gets rid of waste.
You see, when you eat, your body takes all the good stuff it needs from the food, and then it's left with the stuff it doesn't need.
And that stuff has to go somewhere, right?
So, it travels through your intestines, which are like long, windy tubes inside your tummy, and then it comes out as poop.
It's like taking out the trash from your body! Sweat! It's wet, it's salty, and it can be a little bit stinky.
But did you know that sweat is actually super important? It's like your body's very own air conditioner.
When you get hot, whether you're playing outside on a sunny day or running around with your friends, your body starts to sweat. And when that sweat evaporates, it cools you down. It's like magic. So next time you're feeling hot and sweaty, don't be grossed out.
Just be thankful that your body has its own built-in cooling system.
Wasn't that gross but super cool? We learned about snot, slime, burps, farts, and so much more.
Remember, even though these things might seem gross, they're all important parts of our bodies and the amazing world we live in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome facts.
See you next time, friends!